Hello everyone, this is Rajaguru with Royal LePage Ignite. I'm pretty sure that today the realtors as well as a lot of mortgage brokers, agents are very excited by the news that they probably came across. It's CMHC, so the Canada's Mortgage and Housing Corporation, willing to put up to 10% of the down payment for first-time buyers. So I'm here to talk about what are the criteria that you should meet and some of the rules that they have proposed for the 2019 federal budget. So let's take a look. So number one, they've said that the salaries cannot exceed over $120,000 or 4 times the household income. So the applicants, if they're first-time buyers, it cannot exceed 4 times their income, right? So $120,000 or 4 times the applicant's income, right? You have to meet that criteria in order to qualify for this program. Number two, the house itself cannot be more than $480,000. So that doesn't leave you much space, especially in this market. You might be looking at a condo maybe in the Scarborough side or maybe in Durham region, or detached homes in Clarington or Oshawa. You know, those are what would qualify under that amount for now at least. And also they're willing to put in, so CMHC is willing to give you a down payment of 10% if the home is a brand new home, it's a new build, but only 5% or up to 5% if it's a resale. So it's not 10% for everyone who's buying a home, every first-time buyers who's buying a home, but only 10% for the newly built and if you're a first-time buyer, okay? And 5% for resale. So it's not 10% for resale. And one more term is that the money that you're borrowing, technically the money that CMHC is giving you as a down payment, let it be 10% for the new houses or 5% for the rebuilds, that amount has to be repaid. Now the article on CBC did say that you have the option of repaying that earlier, or the other option is to repay that amount when you sell. Now what they're unsure of is, now do you have to pay let's say $40,000 that you borrowed from them on a $400,000 home, or do you have to pay that in percentage? So what I mean by that is, if you go and buy a brand new construction, brand new detached home and it costs you $400,000, CMHC will give you $40,000. 10 years later when you sell it, that value could have gone up to $600,000. Now when you sell, do you have to give them the initial $40,000 that you borrowed, or is it a 10% stake? Now, if it's a 10% stake, instead of repaying them $40,000, you will be giving them $60,000. So they're really unsure of that because it's proposed now. We won't have any clear-cut information until CMHC releases the program. It's just a proposal right now. So thank you so much for joining me. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 416-712-2006. Again, this is Rajaguru with Royal LePage Ignite. Thank you so much.